Hi there, how is it going? This is Zidane here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove copyright claims from your YouTube videos easily in few clicks. It's difficult for a creator to get a copyright claim that he is unable to resolve with dispute, losing his video monetization after many hours of long research, recording, and efforts to editing and putting all the stuff together. The good news is that YouTube has made it easy for you to remove the claimed portion of the content from your video so that you can monetize the rest of the content. This is very useful because in many situations, only a small portion or part of the video may get a claim, which could be 10-second music or footage, and removing a small piece of content may not affect the video and the overall message. In the recent years, YouTube has been working on facilitating this editing process, as many video creators have been facing this problem, especially if your video has voiceover and background music or alternation between voiceover and background music, then you may have these claims. And in the past, if you want to replace the song, then you need to replace the whole voiceover and you lose part of the content or the message in your video. In this quick tutorial, we'll be showing you how to do this step by step, easily and in few clicks, and of course getting your video back to monetization and revenues. So let's get started. First, you need to head on to your YouTube studio. If you have received this claim, then you will receive this short message in here. The copyright owner claims some content in your video. So that's the latest video that you have uploaded, in which we have some background music, which has been copyrighted to third party. Hit view options, or also you can head on to content to check if the video is monetized or not. As you can see here, it's ineligible and cannot be monetized because of a copyright claim. Great. Here you will have more information and you have the link to know more about how copyright claims work. Just click on learn more, but here we need to fix the issue. Let's hit see details. This will take us to the video editing part, and as you can see here, the new technology used in YouTube is to show you just the part which is affected. As you can see here, started from 19 seconds to 2.52. Here you have some information about the copyright owners. You can contact them. One thing we need to mention is that this claim is not a copyright strike, so your channel is not affected, and the content ID claim on your video doesn't affect your channel, and your video is still public to your audience. But the only problem is it cannot be monetized. Let's fix this. So to do so, just you need to take action. Here you will have four options. First one is to trim out segment, which is to cut the part which is affected. Here we cannot do it because all the video is affected almost about this claim. Next, replace the song. This is what we will do as we don't have voiceover. Great. Mute the song if you choose this, or if you cannot find the appropriate song to replace. And the last one is to dispute, to show that you have the right to use this music and file YouTube the necessary documents. Great. So as we said, here we'll be using replace song. Let's hit it. Well done. So that's the part we need to replace, and as you can see here, it cannot be monetized, and the video too. So we'll change this into green. Great. Next step, you need to select a song which goes with the same mood or the same rhythm. Here you have the option. If you have a special song that you want to use, you just search or type in the type of song you are searching for. So for example, let's have education. You can still have the option here to select the genre, the mood, the artist name, the duration, attribution required or not required. So these are songs that you have started in the audio library. You can also head on to the audio library to select the ones that you want to, but here we'll stick to this panel. So, and we'll be using, as we said, the education more. So here, as you notice, we could not find the appropriate rhythm for this song, which is an educational one. So we just opted for another search, instrumental and happy mood. Great, and found this song a little bit fit for this video. So all you need to do is just to click on the add in here. Great. And voila, magic is happening. So it's just fitting. You still have license information, or you remove the option to trim the music, and as you can see here the icon changes. So make sure that you have the text and you do not exceed. If you want to keep, if you still have voiceovers within the other parts, then just keep it within the limit of the ineligible content or the copyright. Right, now I think we are good to go. Great, so let's just test it. That's really a very useful option. As you can see here, I'm still using voiceover on my copyrighted music without any problems, and just remove the song which has been claimed. Next, you just wait for the preview to get generated, which will take some period of time depending on the length of the song. Here we are satisfied with this, and we have just previewed it. So all we need to do next is hit save. This will display a message to show that this process may take a while. Once the audio claim has been successfully replaced, they will update any viewing or monetization restriction. Users will continue to see the current version of your video until the edits are processed. The editing effects will take a period of time to get processed and to get effect. The demonetization will get lifted only after the process has finished. Understand this? Save. As you can see here, restriction checking is under process. So until the process is finished, next you will get monetized again, and that red icon will go green again. Well done. Here there is a refresh. As you can see here, it is processing. Now it's on the SD version. We'll go back when it is finished. Et voila. As you can see here, it has taken almost 3 to 4 minutes, and monetization is back, and your video is fixed and well monetized. Problem solved, and your video is monetized again without any problems. Stay within the YouTube guidelines and terms and avoid any hassles or strikes to your channels. And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower, and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com